Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. It's day 2 of training my mom series, and she's getting ready now. The mat is ready. Workout is going to remain the same, not the same movements, but same kind of thing. Working on stability and mobility for a while until I feel and she feels confident about moving further. But without her knowledge, gradually I'll keep increasing the intensity every class and every session. Just 1 month back, I used to sleep at 10:30 and wake up at 5:30 a.m. And that was my schedule for a very long time. But from the past 1 month, because of a lot of stuff, I've been sleeping a little late, probably around 11:45 because of the editing of the vlog and all of that. I like to finish it by the night and upload it on YouTube so that when I wake up in the morning I have less work to do. And because of that, I can't wake up at 5:30. If I wake up, I'm tired the entire day. I try, okay, but I mean, these are just excuses which I am giving to myself. I feel like not waking up. So I'm not judging myself. I'm like, okay, let's let it go for a while. Let's sleep for a while. So I'm waking up around 6:30ish, 6:45ish. Wake up, study a little bit, then start my day. But from October, I've decided I am going to get back to my routine. Firstly, I'm making her do deep squat, hold, thoracic rotations. This will open her upper body and improve her lower body mobility. Once you're done with 10, change sides, mommy. ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದೇನಿದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು ಮೇಲೆ. Come on, good job. So this is called tabletop hold. I want you to hold there. Good. So because she does elbow plank every day in her yoga class, she's doing it. Again, walk forward. Yes, lovely. Try to keep your knees locked. To a high plank position, bring your hips in line with the body. Now walk back. Lovely, mommy. 10 more of those. 5. Come on. Inchworm looks like an easy exercise, but it isn't when you do it. ಕಾಲಾಗಲ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದಾಗಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಾಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ನೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಪ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡು ಇದು ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ನೀರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಆ್ಯಂಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುವಲಿ ಲೀನ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಯು ನೀಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ತೊಗೊಂಬ ಅದು ವೇಟ್ ಚೇರಿನ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಡು ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇವಾಗ stand all the way up, mommy, to your right. Good. So next you're going to increase her heart rate a little bit by doing some burpees. ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡು ಕಾಲು ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮಮ್ಮಿ, ಇದು ಯೋಗ ದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಗುಡ್ ಜಾಬ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಸೊ bicycle crunches, lovely, squeeze as much as possible, perfect. Let's go. Nice. That's it, we are done for the day. 4 warm-up exercises and 4 main exercises, and look at her, she's lying down. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Me and Kiran were supposed to go to this place called Equilibrium in Indiranagar. It's a climbing station. We had planned to go there, but when I called them, I got to know that in the morning they are closed. They close by 11 and again open by 3 p.m. Evening, Kiran is busy, he can't come, and I also have work, so I can't go. So we have to postpone that. But anyway, I've got ready to do something, so I will go for a short drive and come. Hey, look at this, man. There's one more McDonald's coming on this highway, and Nike, Arrow, and so many other things. Cult is also opening. Oh no. ASX is opening. Okay, so from many days I've been planning to buy a gym bag and andella haledagbidiде, and my gold gym bag adruddu eneno kithogbidide, so I don't want to repair it. It's been long, 2010 inda use ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, so I thought I'll buy. I've been seeing online, I'm not getting the type of bag that I want, so I thought I'll come here to Puma outlet, and one of my friend works for Puma, so he gets a 45% discount, so I thought I'll use his discount and buy, see if there is some nice product, then I will buy it. So this is like the main thing. And is there a place to keep shoes? This is for the shoes. This is for shoes, and this is the main compartment. Can you show me the main compartment? What is the size of this? Like in this is a medium or large?
It's a large one.
Large one, is it? Oh, nice.
Very spacious.
Oh, awesome. Lovely. That is good. Not many collections. This one and that one. This is the blue color. That is the red color. Sorry?
Like everything all got so much.
This looks good. So I thought I'll just try this. This is why I don't want any shop, because I just can't control myself. If I see something, I feel like buying. So I got my gym bag finally. This is basically the outlet store which is there on the airport road. So Puma outlet, factory outlet, guys. So there was already, I think, what, 40% discount on this. Plus my friend's employee code, I got 25% extra discount. Yeah, it's a good deal. So like I told, we are going now in the evening, right? It's around 4:30. I'm going to pick up Kiran. Pick up Mabuto, Indranagar go back home. Equilibrium climbing station. I think it is going to rain even today. Full weather kharab agide. Male barda idre saku. Amazar kaita avare hidiyakke community tara. Kharab navella hakidiyappa. Look at that color, guys. Green color sunrise. That is the gym, Equilibrium climbing station, mountain community fitness. Lift haಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾ 4 floor ಹತ್ತಬೇಕಾ. All of these offices are closed, I think, after lockdown. Oh, full empty. My God. I think this. So this is the gym. Looks good. So this is how it looks. We're going to try all of this now. But before all of that, we need to register on their website. So that's what we're doing. These are the mountain climbing shoes. They are 100 rupees, and here we are paying 400. And there's no time limit. You can play as long as this is open. It's open till 9. We'll play for maybe 1.5 hours. It's going to be fun. So it's a good place, guys. If you guys are around Indranagar, or if you want to come and try, it's a really good place. Equilibrium climbing station in Indranagar. On top they have this kind of thing, warm-up place where you can do this. They have the Roman rings, and they have the basic child practice madake. Then you go to the main area. Yeah.
तो बैंड रहेगा थोड़ा.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. ओके. Oh, all right.
Go up to the last hold
Wow.
and then you hold it with both hands.
Okay. So wherever there are 2 ribbons, I hold it with 2 hands, right?
Just the starting holds. Yeah.
Just the starting ones. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. So Bharat here gave us the intro. He basically told which is the beginner level, the intermediate level. Kiran now they're trying to do it. Awesome. They've given us the shoes. So white alla ideyala. This white thing, this is the beginner level. Blue is the next level. Oh, nice, bro. Super. Huh? Easy ita? Nice. Difficult try ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಮೌಂಟೇನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಜಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದೇ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡು ಬಿಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಕಾಲು. ಓಲಿ ಬಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಂ. ಹಾಂ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಾ ಮಗ. ಈ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಬಾ. Learning it, you can see the difference in the way he does it, right? When we do it, it is so rigid. When he does it, it's so like smooth, it's fluid. This is what is the difference between learning from a professional and then doing it without coaching. Good. Nice one. Lovely. ಐದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ದೇರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ ಹುಡುಗಂಗೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ದ ವೇ ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಬ್ರೋ. ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಬಾ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ. I'm telling you, one of the toughest sports to play. Please come and spend a weekly once here. You will shred so many calories. You will learn so many skills. Just don't go to the gym and do your bloody treadmill walk. No use. So the challenge is you have to start from this end and end all the way there.
Let's see if we'll be able to do it. Because I doubt I'll be able to do it. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು. ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, so he's using this trick. He's going up. But he'll go diagonal. He's going up. ನೋಡೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೆ. Come on bro. Good job. This actually looks very easy, but it isn't. He went only till there, and then he dropped. Even same, I will drop mid only. Ekandre idu the grip that you need, no, for this, it's next level. Illalla full uri bandibidadalla bro. Okay, so basically the thing is you need to climb with the same colors. So then now Bharat told us. So if you are starting with this, you need to go with that, and that. So you need to puzzle. Basically, it's a puzzle, and you're a human body trying to complete the puzzle. So Kiran here will try this now. The black one. Okay. Let's see what he does. So guys, basically this is rock climbing, right? Rock climbing has world championship trophies and all of that, which we never know, and currently it is going on in Moscow. Bharat told me. Bharat is that guy who spoke to me initially. And he tells that completed. Adi mudda ivaga vapas ba hange. So basically all these kind of sports, they don't show. India is representing in Moscow. Fuck, we don't know anything about it. It's a shame, man. These guys are climbing kick-ass, man. This guy, so only one guy completed that, Bharat, he did. So he's the one who does all of this. He's been climbing from 16 years. He's 21 now. So basically all his life. It was pretty interesting talking to him. Couldn't record it because I was busy. It was very interesting. Come on, easy. ಈ ಕಾಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡು. ಅಚ್ಚ ಹಾಂ ಯಾಕೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ನೀನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೈ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ Bharat, and he only does all of this. We'll see what he does now. Bharat, we are planning to do the blue there, those ones. So once we go to that point, right, where you hold that one,
You get both hands there.
both hands there.
It's a big hold. You can fit both hands.
So where does the leg go there? Like, can I keep it on that one? The one
Pretty easy. Doesn't matter where you.
Very good, right? Okay, cool, alright. Okay, so finally we got done with the session. One of the best sessions I've had in a long time. My arms are shivering right now. His strength tested at its best. Amazing. You guys should try Indiranagar Equilibrium Climbing Station. Do come and visit. It's okay, you might be a total beginner. Nobody else is here. Everybody encourages you, helps you to learn, grow. There's this guy called Bharat. You should go approach him. He will help you with everything. In fact, he told us from scratch what are we supposed to do, how we are supposed to climb, all of that. And plus here also, there's no lift, you have to climb. So if you are not someone who can climb, don't come here. What is the plan, bro? Yeni baga, manege hogada, tinnada?
Biryani.
Biryani. So we are going to Star Biryani. And the last time we had visited Star Biryani, ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಳು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ 150 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಏಕೆ ಇವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬೈದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂತಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಂತೀನ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಹೋಪ್ಫುಲಿ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೇಸ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂದಿರಾನಗರ್, ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಮಟನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ.